Today in English, we're going to do a Grammar Masters lesson. Now, we're going to do suffixes again, like we did on Friday, suffixes with Adrian the ant. And your challenge is to spot Grandmaster Tiger on your learning journey. Now, the suffixes that we do, the suffix that we do today and the one that we did on Friday is going to be, they're going to both be very helpful for your spellings this week because we're going to be looking at the spelling rules for these suffixes. So it's very important that you understand what the suffixes mean and how you can use them in a sentence. So just to recap, suffixes are a group of letters that are added to the end of a word to change or add to the meaning. So for example, hard, which is an adjective, if you add the est suffix and that's spelt est, it turns the word into hardest. Have a think about how that's changed the word by adding the est suffix. We're going to have a little look at some more examples. So est can be used to form what's called the superlative. Now I want you to have a look at the examples below. So here are some adjectives and we've added the est suffix to all of them. So tight becomes tightest, fast becomes fastest, bright becomes brightest. What's happened to the words now? How has it changed them when we add the est suffix? Have a little think about it before I go on to the next slide and I explain a bit more. So let's have a look at how it works in a sentence. So let's look at the examples. So Usain Bolt is the fastest man in the world. Europe has the largest collection of stamps in the world. A mosquito is the smallest insect that you can kill. How has it changed the meaning of the sentence? So when you've added the s suffix to the adjectives, how does it change the meaning? So by adding the est suffix, it adds the meaning most to adjectives. So here we can see Usain Bolt is the fastest man in the world. Okay, Europe has the largest collection of stamps in the world, and a mosquito is the smallest insect that you can find. Now, your job today then is to have a go at writing some of your own sentences using the adjectives below. So remember, these are called superlative sentences, okay? And it means by adding the s suffix, it means it adds the meaning most to the adjective, okay? So have a go at writing your own sentences. Make sure that you're spelling the words correctly and make sure as well that when you're writing your sentences that they all have capital letters and full stops, or it could be other kinds of punctuation as well. So I look forward to seeing your sentences and well done. You have done a great job today and you successfully mastered this aspect of learning. Okay, so continue your Grammar Masters journey to develop your knowledge further. So don't forget, send me in your sentences and don't forget those capital letters and full stops.